Alrighty, guys. Here's another one. It's the Jeep also that I wrote up. Yeah, I remember. I think I did a video where I started on this. Yes, they burnt the transmission up, never serviced it. I think this was high mileage 180. Yeah, it had to be replaced. Okay, we don't go inside of these. Remember, I showed you an all park garage. They got overhaul kits, or they got access to overhaul kits. But look at this mess right here. Oh my God, I am not mad at this one, boy. He can. Whoo, and this was CP, so this is like a good 10 hours. Look at this. The transmission is hidden in here. Now, guys, what go here is the starter. The only way you can get that starter out, how did he do it? Oh, he just shifted up. So technically, he didn't take the motor mount out. This is a four-wheel drive. So look at the differential in your way. Oh, my God. Of course, you got the heater right here. He left it attached. Some people take it apart, but look at this mess. Holy crap. Yeah, I am not mad at him for that. Yeah. Now I'm wondering, how did he clear this starter out? That must be the baby cam. If this was a stop-start, it would have a bigger starter, beefier starter. So you definitely have to remove the mount in order to get it out. That's a transfer case. Drive chop. Oh my goodness. I imagine this was a pain. Yeah, I ain't mad about this one. Yeah, y'all wondering, oh my goodness. How on earth you can't even see what a starter used to be? Yeah, he didn't take the mount out. So, but yeah, I see the bolts missing right here. So you can take the bolts out and lift the engine up and shift it. Yeah, because see, you still got that. So yeah, there's certain ways you can do it. Yeah, I even wrote up on water. Y'all see this coolant water pump? Got a water pump over there getting replaced. So I gave all of this up. Because I wasn't gonna be here, of course. But oh my God, y'all sure y'all want to do this for a living? Look at this. It's a badass transmission. But guys, let me kill this myth. It's not feel for life, damn it. What is wrong with y'all? Yeah, this is not nothing lasts a lifetime. No fluid, no filter, no nothing. So hey, look. The transmission is not going to last a lifetime, and it's not going to last a long time. Here's what you can do your part. Service it, and the best you can hope for is to extend its life. How's that? Extend the life of the transmission by simply dropping the pan, replacing the filter and the fluid. Yeah, the filter is dirty because the torque converter has clutches in it, and there's clutch packs in here. Over time, those clutch packs will essentially break down. That stuff have to go somewhere, so it ends up in the filter. After so long, if the filter clog up, that means you starve out the pump. This is a torque converter, but the pump is inside of here. If you starve out the pump, bzzz, you get whining noise. From there, you get a dead transmission. Wow. All right, I can't bear to look at this any longer. That starter, yeah. That's how you get the torque converter bolts off. You have to remove the starter from the inside. Okay, guys. Yes, I'm over here feeling bad for my man, but he got it done. This is a younger dude too, so these guys, this ain't nothing to them. All right, so now here's what I'm working on. Overheated. Now I got a sense of where my yeah, you can see. That radiator. Oh, look at that radiator. All right, guys, when you get cars like this, in fact, let me start another short video, a little short video. All right, I'll discuss this on another video. All right, for now, I got to go. Thanks for watching.